Hey, doing a sandbox video on Dip.io. This is like my third time trying to record this because I can't seem to record on the computer. Okay. So, backspace, down, and then next to that, there's a button with a slant in the middle and a line on the top left corner of it. You press that, it changes you to random tanks. You can be the defenders from the defense game mode. I don't even remember what that's called because I don't play it that much. I don't even play this game that much. I've just kind of stopped playing it. I used to play this game all the time, but let me just show you. You can go through all of these things.
Guys, I did not stop playing Jump Dash since I was like 3.
Yeah.
And now I'm 6.
Thomas is 6. He hasn't stopped playing Jump Dash since he was about 5. No, not 5, like 4.
Maybe
But look,
3.
the arena closer. You can actually be an arena closer. Crazy. And bosses, they spawn every 5 minutes, which is awesome. So, just to let you know, I'm not going to be able to record any more Fortnite videos. So, yeah.
Why?
Mama doesn't want me recording any Fortnite videos. Don't know why. But, well, there's all these upgrades and stuff. It's not much. It's just seeing how to do stuff.
If you guys want to play Fortnite, you can.
Seeing things. Fortnite is free.
Yes.
Just gonna say that.
I was just about to say.
PS4, console. No, not console. PS4. I think it's on Xbox One, maybe. I know it's on the computer and the PS4 because I have it on my PS4. But I think it might be on Xbox One. Not sure. I said it might be on Xbox One. I don't know. I think it is. But that's an I think, not an answer. But okay, let's just try and go to yeah. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh yeah. O kills you. You can kill yourself. Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay, it's called. What is it called? I'm gonna play. It's called Domination. That's what it's not called like the defense. It's called Domination. Dominators. Okay, I'm gonna do some tag. I really like this game mode. I'm pretty good at this game. Oh, because I haven't played in so long, all the stuff restarts. I know how to turn all the shapes green. By the way, if you press F12, no F11. Oh, it's laggy. Pretty laggy right now. Lag is actually. Why is everything frozen except for me? Please don't say my computer's dying from pressing that button. What's going on? Please don't die. What the heck? Okay. Wait, no sound? No, turn the sound up. There we go. Connecting. This is so annoying. I'm sorry, guys. It's just wireless is I'm sorry this is happening. No, go back. No. Wait, is it working? I don't know what's going on, guys. I'm sorry for this confusion. I'm just an 8-year-old. I don't know how to work. I'm not so good at working computers. But I am pretty good because I've been using computers since I was like 4. And I've been using I've evolved from watching YouTube to playing Geometry Dash on a computer.
And he's 8 now.
Yeah, I just said that. I'm turning 9 in July, so I'm getting pretty.
And I'm turning 7 in December.
Yeah, Thomas is turning 7.
8. No, 18. 18.
let's just get back to the game. So I'm gonna try and do some. What should I do? I'll try some maze. I don't play this game so much, so.
And that's my death.
Yeah, 90. Thomas got 93 on X Step.
Yes.
Let's go. Oh, nope. Ignore that. Definitely ignore that. Pretend that never happened. Let's just go, because I'm not restarting again.
That's my color phone. That's my color phone.
I'll come back on, you know what, no. I'm going to keep going. Ow. Okay, I'll come back once I'm doing pretty good. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. I've already died. I'm doing pretty well.
Watch him down. Get the clue.
How do you even do that? Yeah, I know. I know how videos like that work. They beat every level with all 3 coins. Ah, it's scary.
Oh my gosh. Do you have everything?
Oh no! No, please no! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't. Oh what? Oh no! No. 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 Okay, how about we just move on? Yeah, let's move on. Ah, dang it. Should we try a different game? No, I'm gonna add some of a new game that I don't really play much. If I can. Oh, it's bright. Oh gosh, that is bright. Thomas, do you remember what the game's called with the pineapple shooter guy? What? No. Remember the game where on the computer in Daddy's room that we played? On Mama and Daddy's room? Oh yeah, I can make an extreme kin. No, dude, it's an IO game though. Dream Kitten. Here we go. This game is pretty. I don't even know how to describe this game. Extreme Kitten. Here we go. Please don't tell me to disable my ad blocker for this. Okay, here we go. Play. Oh my gosh. I'm actually playing this. This is pretty loud. I need to turn this down. I'm sorry. It's very loud. Oh my goodness. I need to hear this. Oh, what did I do? Okay, let's do. Okay. This game. Wow, that wasn't that good. This is the weirdest game. One of the weirdest games I've ever played.
Okay, that's such a cool UFO.
If you want Fortnite, I already said it's free. But you can play with friends, but to play with friends, you have to actually friend someone to actually play with other people in your party. It's pretty tricky. You have to go into. Cool. Thomas is dancing to Geometry Dash. That's 45 stars.
It gives you marshmallow. It's a geometry camp. Geometry camp.
Thomas has marshmallow. Oh, what was that?
It's a geometry camp.
I was doing really well. Or pretty well, actually.
What's that?
Club? Okay. No thanks.
What's that?
I went from DFIO to this.
What is that?
Extreme Kid.
It sounds very annoying.
Okay, I'm gonna go to a different game now.
Do it.
This game is weird.
Are you cutting with that block? You're a block.
I'm not going to YouTube.
You wrote.
Are you recording the video?
Yeah, I am. I don't. Let's see. Let's see what I can find.
I'm gonna taste the roasted apple. Get it?
No, I don't. Not even a little bit.
I roasted it. Get it? I'm gonna roast it.
Oh, yeah.
I just roasted it.
Can't wait to see. There it is, Fights IO. That's the game I was thinking of. I couldn't remember what it was called though. IOgames.space. Okay, let's just get into the game. This game is fun.
Time for a jump to disco.
Wait, there's skins? Why is the game lagging so much? Let's just put on my name. The maze.
Jump to disco.
Okay, I'll just come back when we're done. You're back.
Season's
Okay.
yellow.
Got my name in. Let's go.
Wait.
Oh, I forgot you could. I didn't know you could have skins in this. It's so cool. I didn't know you could have. This game updated. No.
Oh yeah.
There's rhinoceros? There's a rhino in this game? What the heck? This game's updated so hard. I'm dead. Gravestones? W's attack. Respawn. Down to Jim.
Jump to disco camp pick.
Crown. What the heck is this game?
Jack, already go.
Heck.
It's yellow.
Oh, what did I do?
Jack, you missed it. The yellow pink speed.
Sorry. I keep forgetting you don't have to use arrow keys in this game. It's just the mouse. There's so many new things here. What does spacebar do? It's like
Bop, bop.
scorpions. Die!
Oh, what?
No, how does a scorpion get... Okay, I'm moving on. Yes, I will leave this site. We're not watching that. Well, guys, I think this video has evolved enough, so I'm just going to end it right here. Bye!